guys, my name is Josie and we are going to be doing this super pretty grungy look today. I wanted to do something inspired by this wig and also inspired by the new Blue Blood palette by Jeffree Star. So I was trying to match the blue color in this wig and the turquoise up here that is in the bun actually. This wig is by evahair, and if you have not heard of them, they are an amazing company that does some crazy nice wigs, including this rainbow one, which I am literally obsessed with. I really enjoy the look of this wig, and it pretty much goes with any makeup look that you do. It's pretty awesome. So if you guys would like to check out evahair or this wig, I will link them down in the description box below. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so as usual, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. And we are going to fill in our eyebrows using very light, feathery strokes to make everything blend as seamless as possible. And then using MAC's Soft Ochre Paint Pot, we are going to prime our lids. We're just going to take a little bit of this and just put this all over the lid, making sure we blend this out and then set it with some translucent powder. Then we're going to jump into the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, and we're going to take the color Mint Tea and pop this into our crease, really making sure we pack this on and blend it out. And then once we are done blending that mint tea out, we're gonna go in with Wealthy and just place this underneath the brow and blend it down into that blue color. Then, when we are done with that, we are gonna go in with a darker color called Power, and we are just going to focus this on the outer portion of our crease, really making sure we pack the color on so that you can really get to see that depth. Then we're going to go into Cullinan, and we are going to place this brilliantly white shimmery color onto our lids and blend that out. And then I'm just going to take my finger and pack a little bit more so that we can see more of the shimmer. And then we're going to be going into the color Undertaker, and we are going to focus this into the crease as well to create a little bit more depth in this eye look. And then once we have that blended out, we're going to go in with our face products. This is the new Milk Gripping Primer, and it is amazing. Let me know if you guys want me to do a full review on this product, but so far I'm loving it. Then we're going to go in with our ColourPop foundation, and we are just going to apply that everywhere with a beauty blender. And once we have that blended out, we are then going to go in and start to put on our concealer, which is also from ColourPop. We're going to put this in our normal concealer areas, and then we're going to blend it out with the beauty blender once again. Then I am just going in with this amazing concealer by Amazing Cosmetics, and we are going to just place this on the inner portions of under our eye, just so we can kind of cover up our bags a little bit more thoroughly. And then we are going to set everything with some translucent powder from Amazing Cosmetics. And then once we have everything set, I'm just going to dust off the remaining powder and move on to the under portion of our eye. We're going to take a mixture of everything that we used on the top of our eye and place it on the bottom just like we did on top. So the darker colors on the outer portion of our eye and the lighter colors on the inner portion of our eye. And then we're going to go in with an angled brush and just chisel out our face with some bronzer. This is Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. And then we're going to go in to our eyeliner. This is the Schwing Liquid Liner by The Balm, and it is the bomb. And I love it. I have loved it for so long, and I recently just found it in my makeup station because I forgot about it, and I just forgot how much I loved this and how black it is. Then we're going to go in and highlight with the Artist Couture Illuminati highlighter, and woo, guys, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Then we're just going to apply some mascara by A Deck of Scarlet, and then put on our falsies. And then we're going to move on to lips, and we are using the Jeffree Star I'm Nude Velour Liquid Lipstick. I love this liquid lipstick, but I wanted to go a little bit dramatic as well. So here is option number 2, the NYX Strictly Vinyl Lip Gloss in Femme Fatale over a plain black liquid lipstick. And you guys know I love me a black lip, and that is it for this tutorial. Yes, please. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the GlamFam, and click the bell notification next to it so you'll always get notified when I do upload. And I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They're also Beautybyjosiek. I hope you guys will go check me out over on those platforms. I do most of my chatting with y'all over there anyway, and that is it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.